Hello and welcome. Today, I will talk about something very simple but very important, my daily routine. So let me take you through my regular day from morning to night. Let's begin. I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I don't use an alarm now because my body is used to it. After waking up, I drink a glass of warm water. It helps me feel fresh and awake. Then, I stretch my body for a few minutes. Sometimes I do yoga or just simple breathing exercises. This gives me energy for the whole day. Next, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a shower. After that, I get dressed. If it's a working day, I wear formal clothes. If it's the weekend, I just wear something casual and comfortable. Around 7:30 a.m., I have my breakfast. I like to keep it light and healthy. Usually, I eat oatmeal, eggs or toast, and drink tea or coffee. Sometimes I also eat some fruit, like a banana or an apple. After breakfast, I check my schedule for the day. I look at my calendar or to-do list. Then, I start getting ready for work or studies. I usually start work at 9 a.m. I sit at my desk, open my laptop, and begin my tasks. I try to stay focused and avoid distractions. I work for about 2 to 3 hours before taking a short break. Around 11:30 a.m., I take a 10-minute break. I walk around, stretch, or drink water. Sometimes I talk to a friend or listen to music for a few minutes. Then I continue working until 1 p.m. That's my lunchtime. I usually eat something home-cooked, like rice, vegetables, or a sandwich. After lunch, I take a short rest or sometimes read a book. By 2 p.m., I get back to work again. The afternoon is usually a little slow, but I try to stay productive. I finish most of my work by 5 or 5:30 p.m. After work, I take a break. Sometimes I go for a walk outside or do some light exercise. If the weather is nice, I enjoy walking in the park. In the evening, I spend some time with my family or friends. Sometimes we have tea together and talk. Sometimes we just relax and watch TV. Around 7:30 p.m., I start preparing dinner. I like to eat something light at night, like soup, salad, or a simple meal. After dinner, I clean the kitchen and then relax for a while. Around 9:30 or 10 p.m., I start my night routine. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and wear comfortable clothes. Then, I spend 15 to 20 minutes reading a book or writing in my journal. Sometimes, I just listen to calm music or practice meditation. Finally, I go to bed around 10:30 p.m. I try to sleep early so that I can wake up fresh the next day. So this is my simple daily routine. It helps me stay healthy, happy, and focused. Everyone has a different routine, and that's okay. But having some structure in your day always helps. What does your daily routine look like? Think about it, and maybe try writing it down in English. Thank you for listening. Take care and have a wonderful day.